Hello everyone, this is Nico here. Do you know why so many customers choose Zoe products? Behind me is another set of the container package oxygen plants. It's a standard 20 GP container package oxygen plant. Inside is a 20 cubic meter per hour oxygen generator system, modular type. And we built in the heat energy recovery system. We recover the heat energy released by the air compressor and we reuse it in the water tank to get warm water. This could greatly save energy for the hospitals, hotels, for the drinking water use. As usual, this oxygen plant equipped with lighting, emergency lighting, fire extinguisher, insulation layer, also the unique airflow duct. It could constantly and stably, silently running for all kinds of conditions. For example, very cold weather, very hot weather. All these conditions we are well considered. Now you know why we are so popularly chosen by our customers.